In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this device. So you've got two methods. Let's start with the first one, the quicker. You need to open your phone together and then enter a secret code, which is *6 or £6. And as you can see here, you've got IMEI number assigned to your device. Click on OK to close it. And now let's go to the second method, which will allow us to check IMEI number, but also a serial number assigned to this OPPO. So at first, just open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And now select Status. And here you will notice serial number right here and also IMEI number right here. So this is it. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.